Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Let us begin our journey into this explainer. Standard language models generate words very slowly, as they create strictly one single token per pass. This slow rhythm truly resembles ancient fragmented writing. It is like looking at old runes hidden deep in a dark, enchanted forest.
You see, ancient lines and cuts before the 9th century were incredibly fragmented. Every single action required a great deal of time. Standard token generation is extremely slow because of this exact reason. Moving one step at a time simply takes far too long. It is as if the ancient elders in the forest are trying to arrange chaotic sparks into a straight line, but the magic is weak and the wait is long.
Section 1. Magic of Speculative Decoding. Just as wise men in the year 863 transformed chaotic runes into a fast phonetic system, speculative decoding does exactly the same magical thing for neural networks today. It is a brilliant, magical partnership between two forces. First, a small draft model quickly guesses future words ahead of time. Then, a massive Bogatir model strictly checks these words. If the guess is correct, you are granted multiple tokens all at once. It is like a swift-winged creature bringing a glowing cube of light, and the mighty hero accepting it.
Section 2. MTP and Goddess Mokosh.
Our first specific method is called MTP. The absolutely crucial point here is that you do not need a second draft model at all. Instead of using a completely separate model, prediction heads are built directly into the main weights. This works just like the ethereal goddess Mokosh. She smoothly weaves multiple golden threads together right inside her wooden spindle, effortlessly turning 3 glowing paths into one single shining flow of knowledge. This simple weaving gives you a wonderful gift. You literally get 3 tokens from one single pass, which increases your speed by about 20%. And the absolute best part is that this happens completely for free right on your everyday home hardware. You do not need massive mountain servers to harness this beautiful magic. Section 3. DFlash and Mighty Heroes. Now we transition to the second method, which is called DFlash. Here, the magic becomes much more complex and utilizes a completely separate draft model. The process happens in 2 distinct steps. First, the winged Simaril sees hidden internal states and uses block diffusion to predict entire blocks all at once. Then, the mighty Ilya Muromets strictly checks the whole block. He verifies the magic and ensures the output is pure and correct.
Section 4. The cost of magic.
Of course, this mighty power comes with real hardware costs. It is basically like paying tribute to the dark, greedy sorcerer Mokosh, who sits on a mountain of complex iron hardware. You have to give up memory and compute power. But what do you get in return for this heavy tribute? The DFlash magic grants an incredible triple speed-up for your local AI generation. The glowing sphere shines 3 times as bright, making the heavy toll well worth the reward. Let us carefully compare the two side by side. DFlash gives you that mighty triple speed-up, but it requires a completely separate local model file and a very complex custom runtime. On the other hand, MTP is much simpler. It works easily in local Llama CPP, making it completely perfect for everyday home hardware. Both paths offer strong magic, but you must choose your journey carefully. Section 5. A bright digital future. These new algorithms bring incredible speed to our sovereign local models. It is like stepping into a new, bright digital Cyber-Rus. Artificial intelligence now works instantly on our home GPU, and we just use a simple file in GGUF format. Fast sovereign local models are no longer a myth. Carved wooden domes harmoniously intertwine with neon fiber optic highways under the warm morning sun. The bright future is already here, and it runs beautifully right on your local server. So I leave you with this final thought. What will you build in the new digital Cyber-Rus? Subscribe to our updates and become a channel sponsor so we can explore this magic together. Thank you so much for your support. It really helps the project grow. Many more discoveries await us in this bright digital future, so until next time, keep exploring the magic.